Hey there! Welcome to our Tickerly tutorial, where we'll be exploring the standard alert message structure, designed to execute trades exactly as dictated by your TradingView strategy. Understanding these alerts is crucial for successful trading automation. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. The standard alert message structure in Tickerly consists of 4 mandatory elements: ticker, action, quantity, and pointer. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in executing your trades, and the order won't be placed if any of them is missing. Now, let's break down each element in detail. The ticker element represents the trading pair you want to buy or sell when an alert is triggered. By default, Tickerly uses the ticker placeholder, which corresponds to the trading pair selected on your TradingView chart. However, you can manually override it with a different pair if needed. Tickerly will then adapt the formatting to match the exchange's API requirements. The action element determines what action the exchange should take upon receiving an alert. By using the strategy, order, action, placeholder, Tickerly will automatically fill in the action taken by your strategy. There are 2 options: buy and sell. You can also manually override this with the fixed text buy or sell if needed. The quantity element sets the amount to buy or sell. By using the strategy, order, contracts, value, Tickerly will place an order for the exact quantity your strategy dictates. You can also set a manual quantity number, replacing the default value with a fixed number, like 20, to always buy and sell 20 of the ticker contracts. The pointer element isn't part of the order details but instead tells Tickerly that the order is coming from you and on which exchange to place the order. To set this up, create an Exchange API connection under My Exchanges and fill in the standard alert message generated for that connection, which includes the exchange account pointer. This is the only element you must update from the standard message structure with your value from your list of exchanges. Now that you have a solid understanding of the standard alert message structure, let's take a look at an example of the values that might be included in a standard alert message. Remember, the standard alert message structure is designed to replicate your strategy orders exactly, based on the strategy alerts. Here's an example of what the values of a standard alert message might look like. And there you have it, a quick guide to Tickerly's standard alert message structure. By mastering these alerts, you'll be well on your way to automating your trades with precision and ease. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next one.